Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So basically Nottingham vs Man City, this is preview and prediction for the Premier League match between these two sides. It's an early kickoff in the UK and matlab in India time it's 6 o'clock match today. Lineups come out 5. So yeah, actually I'm kind of on the schedule right now. It's 5 5 p.m. So yeah, nonetheless I'll still do prediction and I'll just see the lineup after this. So basically for Nottingham Forest, again not similar. I mean kind of similar to the Manchester United form. Again here and there ups and downs with the new manager Sean Dyche in charge. Again he's looked decent in the I don't know what you call that, Conference League if I'm not mistaken. Conference League or it is Europa League, I'm not sure. I'll get back to that. But yeah, Sean Dyche, good wins in the run of some 5 to 7 games. Good wins in those. A few draws as well. But obviously losses they don't want to see. And yeah, that's unfortunate. Talking about Nottingham Forest overall, again, talking about Nottingham Forest overall, they have decent players. Obviously, some have left just before this season started, but nonetheless, good players. Igor Jesus, Morgan White, again going to be a big threat yet again. It's a home game for them, but they have other players. Matt Sells, good goalkeeper, underrated keeper. Morgan Gibbs White, Chris Wood, Anthony, Callum Hudson-Odoi, many others. I can't remember those names, but yeah. Coming to Man City, winning already quite a few number of games. 5 games I think they won in a row now. Big wins for them, important wins, and talking about Man City, definitely they are coming into this game with huge confidence and form. Yeah, so Man City come into this game with good form. As I said, 5 games in a row they won. Now they face Nottingham Forest, last game of this year, an away match. I would now, obviously players like Foden, Cherki, Haaland, Doku. These 4 absolutely cooking, absolutely flying. Even in the defense role, Nico Gonzalez, Nico O'Reilly, and Matheus Nunes. Big key players for Man City, and Donnarumma obviously, and the rest of the players. I don't mean to demean the other players. Talking about now, I would say prediction time now. Predicted lineup is going to be the same. Last game, Donnarumma in goal, right back Nunes, left back O'Reilly, centre backs is Ruben Dias and Josko Gvardiol. Then we have holding midfielder Nico Gonzalez. Then we have up front Cherki, Foden, no Doku and no Marmoush. It's going to be Savio. Yeah, Doku's injured and Marmoush is at AFCON tournament with Mohamed Salah. So no Marmoush there. So Savio may come in, but apart from that, there is also news of Rodri being available in the squad after many weeks. Since the last injury, it's almost been 1 month, 2 months since he last played a match. So yeah, definitely, Rodri may be in the squad, maybe, as Pep said in the interview yesterday or day before. Sorry. So yeah, Rodri 50-50 chance of being there in the squad. And then holding midfielder, same thing. Nico Gonzalez. Attacking, I said already, Cherki, Foden, Savio, or it may be, I don't know, no Bob, no Oscar Bob also. Yeah, let's see how it plays. Haaland obviously striker. You could have Stefan Mufuni or Devin Mukasa as backups maybe in the lineup. So yeah, and maybe Rico Lewis may play this game. I don't know why, but in the last match also he came as a substitute. So I was kind of right on that prediction. That's my predicted lineup. I'll just check the lineup in some time now. Score 2-1. I do not see clean sheet. Nottingham Forest definitely will, cook. Home game for them, last game for both the teams. I mean, in this year. Yeah, I think at 2-1. I'll be surprised if it goes to 2-0, 3-0. It could go like the Crystal Palace game, 3-0 or 4-0. But I think I'll say 2-1 or 3-1. That's it. I do not see a clean sheet otherwise. 2-1 or 3-1. That's it. See you in the next video.